Have you ever experienced déjà vu or an odd sensation that something isn't quite right? What if I told you that you, your loved ones, and everything you've ever known might be a computer program? Sounds like a sci-fi plot straight out of a blockbuster movie, right? But buckle up, because the idea that we're living in a simulation is way more likely than we imagined. Consider our world for a moment. We're surrounded by technology, from smartphones to virtual reality headsets. If our technology has advanced this much in just a few decades, imagine a future thousands of years from now. Would it be possible for an advanced civilization to create a virtual world that feels completely real? The truth is that it is certainly possible. Think of the movie The Matrix. Perhaps in the future, AI has gotten so advanced that they were the ones that created the simulation that we now live in. With the way AI is rapidly evolving, this could be possible. Perhaps we do become energy slaves for AI.
It's possible that we're all in some big simulation. You know, you can think of The Matrix or any one of a number of movies that have been about this kind of idea. It really could be true.
Here's where things get wild. Elon Musk, the billionaire tech entrepreneur, has said that the odds we're not living in a simulation are 1 in billions. And he's not the only one. A growing number of scientists, philosophers, and techies are starting to think the same. But there's a huge twist. If we are indeed in a simulation, what happens when the plug is pulled or the game ends? Our virtual existence could be snuffed out in a mere millisecond. The very thought that some external force could pull the plug on our universe is chilling. Living in a simulation could be the end of humanity, just like turning off a computer. Perhaps if this happened, we would wake up in our true reality, but what would that look like? But things get even wilder.
Computing power is growing rapidly.
Right.
We create simulations of worlds.
Well, maybe we're in a simulation right now.
Maybe we are nothing but cosmic digitized figures dancing on somebody's computer screen.
If we are in a simulation, there has to be someone or something behind it all, right? We could call this the simulator. But who or what is behind this grand design? Just like the architect from The Matrix. Is it AI? Another advanced human civilization? Aliens? A kid from the future with a super powerful gaming console? Humanity is now on a quest to find out, and the clues could be all around us. In video games, glitches can reveal the game's artificial nature. A wall you can walk through, a character floating in the air. Similarly, some scientists believe that there might be glitches in our universe, tiny hints that reveal its simulated nature. Unexplained phenomena, quantum quirks, or even just that eerie feeling of déjà vu might be the breadcrumbs leading us to the truth. Perhaps we just have to take a closer look in the mirror.
Right. Imagine a day where you can simulate a world so perfectly, with life forms, humans, so well, that you can recreate every single neurosynaptic thought you could have, but now you're in the simulation on the computer.
While the concept of living in a simulation can be unnerving, it also points to a newfound perspective. If we are living in a simulation, perhaps our thoughts and ideas have more power than we ever imagined. Perhaps it's possible to hack this reality and discover the secrets of the universe. In addition, what if our thoughts impacted the code of the simulation? Whether or not we're living in a virtual world, the simulation theory encourages us to question our reality and not take things at face value. It reminds us of the vast possibilities that the universe holds and our never-ending quest to unravel its mysteries. So, next time you experience something unexplainable, or you get that uncanny feeling of déjà vu, remember, it could just be a glitch in the system. And whether player or pawn, it's up to us to find the answers. What do you think?